Hi everyone, I'm Monica Rivelis. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are making the most of your week. Now today I wanted to share with you my top 5 tax tips for creative businesses and entrepreneurs to help you make the most of this tax time. Remember, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at monica.rivelis. Now, the contents of this video does not constitute legal or tax advice, are not intended to be a substitute for legal or tax advice, and should not be relied upon as such. You should seek the help of a tax professional, such as an accountant or tax lawyer, in relation to any matters, issues, or concerns you have in relation to your tax return. So here are my top 5 tax tips. Tip number 1, working from home. If your home is your place of business, for instance, you are a sole trader or proprietor limited company, you can claim the following: decline in value of equipment, cost of repairs to the office furnitures or fittings, heating, cooling, lighting expenses, and cleaning expenses. In addition to these expenses, you can also claim part of the following: your rent, your mortgage interest if you are a homeowner, your rates like council and water rates, and your home-related insurances. Tip number 2, car expenses. If you travel between various gig venues, teaching studios, and other workplaces, or you transport your equipment or instruments, you can claim car-related expenses on your tax. Some expenses you can claim include petrol, tolls, interest on your car loan, and if your car was purchased brand new, you can claim depreciation on the vehicle up to a value of approximately $60,000 for the life of the vehicle, which is considered to be 8 years. Tip number 3, self-education expenses. You can claim a deduction for self-education expenses if your course relates to your job. For instance, if you have done a music course or a course on running a small business. You can also claim other sort of books and courses related to keeping up your skill. Tip number 4, general business expenses. These are expenses that you incurred in running your business and include things like your accountant's fee from the previous financial year, bank charges, legal fees, bookkeeping fees, registration fees, computer costs, equipment costs, repairs on instruments, stationery and office supplies, postage, trademarks, phone and internet bills, devices such as laptops, tablets and phones, web hosting, resources such as sheet music, and insurance such as income protection, public liability and equipment insurance. Here's a bonus COVID-19 tax tip. You can claim a deduction of 80 cents for each hour you worked from home. Finally, tip number 5, entrepreneur's tax offset, ETO. Now for my last tip, if your music or creative industries business earned you a profit under $50,000, you may be eligible for the ETO. This is a 25% reduction of the income tax payable on the profits generated by your business. For profits between $50,000 to $75,000, the ETO is scaled down. Finally, as with anything related to claiming tax deductions, it is important that you keep your records to prove your expenses, such as receipts, a diary, or a car log. I have included some useful tax-related links below in the description. Thank you for watching this short video on tax tips for creative industries. Please remember that the contents of this video does not constitute legal or tax advice, are not intended to be a substitute for legal or tax advice, and should not be relied upon as such. You should seek the help of a tax professional, such as an accountant or tax lawyer, in relation to any matters you have or any issues or concerns you might also have in relation to your tax return. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at monica.rivelis and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content related to music business. Thank you for watching and stay safe.